Let's learn short reading and exercises. Let's read. Hot, 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 hot. N, t, n, t, n, t, not, not. K, t, k, t, k, t, cut, cut. N, 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 none, none. F, n, f, n, f, n, fun, fun. B, n, b, n, b, bun, bun. S, n, s, n, s, n, sun, sun. T, g, t, g, t, g, tug, tug. H, g, h, g, hug, hug, hug. B, g, b, g, b, g, bug, bug. K, p, k, p, cup, cup. Now do this activity. What's this called? Check the correct answer. The answer is hot, hot. What's this called? The answer is not, not. What's this called? The answer is tug, tug. What's this called? The answer is hug, hug. What's this called? Check the correct answer. The answer is bug, bug. What's this called? Check the correct answer. The answer is sun, sun. What's this called? Check the correct answer. The answer is cup, cup. Well done, children.